What if you're literally addicted to being yourself? Dr. Joe Dispenza, a neuroscientist and mystic, discovered that your personality is just a habit, and habits can be broken. Today, I'm revealing why you keep recreating the same life and how to reprogram your brain to become someone new. This will change everything. Welcome to Major Inspiration. I'm your host, and today we're diving into Dr. Joe Dispenza's groundbreaking work on breaking the habit of being yourself. This isn't just motivation. This is neuroscience meets spirituality. Joe shows us that your thoughts create your reality, not metaphorically, but biologically. By the end of this video, you'll understand why change feels impossible and exactly how to rewire your brain to become the person you want to be. Who is Joe Dispenza? So who is Dr. Joe Dispenza? He's a chiropractor who became a neuroscientist after a near-death experience. In 1986, he was hit by a truck during a triathlon and told he'd never walk again. Doctors wanted to put rods in his spine. He refused. Instead, he used his mind to heal his body. He spent hours every day visualizing his spine, reconstructing cell by cell, and in 10 weeks, he was walking. That experience led him to study the brain's ability to change itself, neuroplasticity. Now he teaches people worldwide how to use meditation and mental rehearsal to rewire their brains and transform their lives. His message is simple but radical. You are not doomed by your genes. You are not a victim of your past. Your brain is changeable. And if you can change your brain, you can change your life. Your personality is a habit. Here's the concept that blew my mind. Joe says your personality is just a habit. Think about it. Every morning you wake up, you think the same thoughts, you feel the same emotions, you make the same choices, you do the same behaviors. That's your personality. And your personality creates your personal reality. If you keep being the same person, you'll keep creating the same life. Joe explains it like this. Your thoughts trigger emotions. Those emotions drive your behavior. Your behavior creates your experiences, and your experiences reinforce your thoughts. It's a loop, and you've been running this loop for years, maybe decades. You've memorized the feeling of being you. So even when you try to change, your body pulls you back into the familiar state because that's what it knows. You're literally addicted to being yourself. Your body has become the mind. It craves the emotional states it's used to, even if those states are anxiety, anger, or sadness. This is why change feels so hard. You're not just fighting a thought pattern, you're fighting a biochemical addiction. The quantum field of possibilities. Now, here's where it gets wild. Joe brings quantum physics into the equation. He says, in the quantum field, all possibilities exist simultaneously. Right now, there's a version of reality where you're wealthy, a version where you're healthy, a version where you have the relationship you want. These aren't fantasies. They're potential realities in the quantum field. But here's the catch. You can only access those realities by matching their frequency. And frequency is determined by your thoughts and feelings. If you're thinking thoughts of lack and feeling emotions of unworthiness, you're tuned to that frequency. You'll keep experiencing lack. But if you can think new thoughts and feel new emotions, emotions you'd feel if your desire was already real, you tune to a different frequency and your reality shifts to match. Joe says, can you be defined by a vision of the future instead of a memory of the past? Most people are living in the past. They're thinking about what happened, feeling the same old emotions, and recreating the same reality. But what if you started living from the future, imagining it so vividly that your brain doesn't know the difference between imagination and reality? That's when change happens. How to break the habit. So how do you actually break the habit of being yourself? Joe gives a clear process. First, become conscious of your unconscious thoughts. Most of your thoughts are automatic. You're not even aware you're thinking them. Start noticing. What are you thinking about all day? Write it down. This brings awareness. Second, interrupt the pattern. When you catch yourself in an old thought or emotion, stop. Don't judge it. Just recognize, that's the old me. I'm choosing something new. Third, meditate daily. Joe's meditations are designed to move you beyond your body and into the quantum field. You sit, you close your eyes, and you practice feeling the emotions of your future before it happens. Joy, gratitude, abundance, freedom. You rehearse being the new you. Fourth, mental rehearsal. Athletes do this. They visualize success so many times that when game day comes, the body knows what to do. You do the same, rehearse your new self. See yourself responding differently. Feel yourself being different. The brain doesn't know the difference between real experience and vividly imagined experience. It creates the same neural pathways either way. The evidence. Your brain changes. Here's the beautiful part. Joe's work is backed by science. Brain scans show that people who do his meditations show increased activity in areas associated with higher consciousness and decreased activity in the survival centers. Their brains literally change structure. He's documented spontaneous healings. People overcoming chronic illness, depression, anxiety through meditation and mental rehearsal alone. Why? Because when you change your thoughts and emotions consistently, you change your brain chemistry, you signal new genes, you create new neural pathways, you become biologically different. Joe says, the moment you start feeling abundant, your body believes it's living in that reality. And the body, as the unconscious mind, starts to create experiences that match. This isn't magic. It's biology. You're reprogramming your system at the deepest level. Dr. Joe Dispenza's teaching gives you complete power over your life. You're not stuck. You're not broken. You're just running an old program. And programs can be rewritten. Starting today, become aware of your habitual thoughts. Interrupt them. Meditate. Rehearse your new self. Feel the emotions of your desired future. And watch as your brain rewires, your biology changes, and your reality transforms. If this inspired you, hit that like button and subscribe for more life-changing content. Comment below, what version of yourself are you ready to become? I'll see you in the next one. Until then, remember, you are not doomed by your past. You are only limited by your imagination.